I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new SIM on Telus is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new SIM card, your Telus account information, and any identification needed. This will help streamline the process. Step 2. Visit the Telus activation page. Go to the Telus website and find the SIM activation section. You can usually find this under the support or customer service menu. Step 3. Enter your details. Fill out the online form with your SIM card number and account details. Make sure to double check the numbers to avoid any errors. Step 4. Confirm your activation. After submitting your information, you should receive a confirmation message. If you don't see it, check your email or the activation page for any error messages. Step 5. Test your SIM. Once activated, insert your SIM card into your device and restart it. Make a test call or send a text to ensure everything is working properly. If you encounter issues, try toggling airplane mode on and off. If you follow these steps, you should be up and running in no time. Good luck with your new SIM.